you guys excited as I am? I am, because Bridgerton is finally back. And today, in order to celebrate that, we are cosplaying as Kate Swarma from Bridgerton Season 2 to bring in Bridgerton Season 3. And I just love her look so far in the pictures and the promos. She's one of my favorites because she's smart, she's witty, she's kind, she's funny. She is everything. She's a good leader. Like, I love Kate. So I'm just like super excited to see what she brings in Season 3. Season 3, Part 1 is now out. So let's get in our Bridgerton garb. Let's do our cosplay so we can start watching. And no spoilers in the comments. You know who you are. Don't do that. All right, let's go get ready. So I have been researching Regency makeup. So I have been trying to get, it's very natural in this photo, right? Particular, she's very natural, very just glowy, very almost a golden sheen to her. So we're gonna try to replicate that, a heavy bronzer, a dark pinky blush, and just keeping the eyes like natural and golden is gonna like help us like really recreate this look. But first I have to start with applying lip gloss to my lips and color correcting. So now we're gonna put on some wig caps so that we can put on the wig, because as you can see, Kate's hair is black and my hair, I don't know if you can see, it's very red. So even though it doesn't show up on camera as red as it is, it will photograph red. So we are going to put on some wig caps and put on a black wig. Who's your favorite Bridgerton character? A lot of people have been saying that their favorites are like Kate, Bridgerton like me, but a lot of people like Daphne, a lot of people like the Duke, a lot of people like Benedict. I know that Penelope is a huge favorite. That's why so many people are prepared for this season, because they love Penelope. And her and I fluctuate. This might be controversial, but I am Team Eloise and not Team Penelope. Maybe it's different in the books. I haven't read them yet, but like as far as the show goes, I'm 100% Team Eloise right now. Maybe Penelope will change my mind in Season 3 and I'll be like, never mind, I'm Team Penelope. We'll see. I haven't watched it yet. So let me know in the comments who your favorite Bridgerton character is. Let's debate about it. If you're Team Penelope or Team Eloise, or if you like them both and you're not a team anything, let me know. Let's go get the hair so we can style it. Wig is on, and we're looking rough. Do you guys remember that scene from like Confessions of a Teenage Drama Queen when they're like in the bathroom and they're like trying to brush out their curls and stuff to get ready for like the concert. That's how I feel when I'm like talking to you guys and I'm like trying to do my hair for the style. Okay, so this is what her hair looks like. Like we all see this lovely photo right here. So we're gonna try to recreate that. I'm not the best hair recreator, so we're gonna see how this goes. So hair's all cute, makeup's done. Let's go get dressed. This is like my favorite part. So I found a dress that's very similar to the green dress that she's wearing, if not like almost the same dress. So I'm very excited. It's beautiful. It fits perfectly. Let's go try it on. I hope you guys like this video. I do new videos every Friday, so make sure you subscribe so you can come hang out with me every Friday here on YouTube. Love you guys. Enjoy a cup of tea for me. Cheers. Happy Bridgerton. Bye.